Hello, welcome to a new session on Python programming. In this session, we will look at how Python has evolved over time to become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. We will list out some of the key features of Python that have led to this popularity. So, let's get started. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in early 1990s. Since then, Python inched its way to the top spot to become one of the most widely used computer programming languages in the world. A quick look at the developer surveys from various forums and organizations proves this point. Now, Python is popular for a number of reasons. Let's take a quick look at what makes it so versatile and easy to use for coders. First thing that stands out is its simple syntax. As understandable as plain English, it is very easy to read and understand. It is beginner friendly, making it a popular choice for entry-level coders. This allows us to build projects quickly. Python can be used to build a wide range of applications. As it is a general-purpose language, it is very versatile. It is designed to be used in everything, from task automation, building websites, software testing to machine learning, data analysis and visualization, and lot more. The impact of these design goals is plainly evident today, as Python is currently the most preferred language for teaching introductory computer science courses at universities across the world. Secondly, it is free and open source, even for commercial purposes. Third important factor that played a catalytic role in popularizing Python is, along with a very comprehensive built-in library it comes with, there are a ton of third-party libraries created to extend Python's capabilities. This Python's ecosystem of libraries is very vast and growing by the day. Python can even be used by non-programmers or relative beginners to automate or script simple tasks on the computer, such as renaming files, finding and downloading online content, or sending emails or texts at desired intervals. Python has even been adopted by many non-programmers for a variety of everyday tasks. Accountants use it to organize finances, and scientists do basic scientific programming using Python. In the area of web development, Python is generally used to develop the backend of a website or a web application. It involves tasks like exchanging data to and from servers, processing data, and communicating with databases, URL routing, and ensuring security, and lot more. There are several Python-based web frameworks and libraries that come in very handy to do these things. Commonly used ones are Django and Flask. In software testing and prototyping, Python is used in tasks like build control, bug tracking, and testing. Python developers can automate testing for new products or features. Machine learning, artificial intelligence development, and data analysis largely fueled Python's growing popularity in the last couple of years. Python has become a primary go-to language for data scientists and other professionals. They use Python to manipulate and analyze data, build machine learning algorithms, conduct complex statistical calculations, create data visualizations, and lot more. The Python data ecosystem is very diverse. Data scientists and engineers can practically do anything without leaving Python's comfortable syntax. It is used across a variety of fields and industries and by top world-class software companies. Interested ones can skim through this article from realpython.com, which briefly describes the various applications of Python across various top companies. I will leave the link in the description below. I'll also make a separate video on it, and we will discuss many use cases and applications after finishing up the core Python language fundamentals. And these are just a few job titles that need Python in their skill set list. It's used by developers, testers, system administrators, cloud engineers, and so on. Python also has a large and active developer community support that contributes to Python's pool of modules and libraries, and acts as a helpful resource for programmers who need help. It means that if we run into any stumbling block, finding a solution is relatively easy because somebody out there would have already run into the same problem before and would have found out a viable solution which can be shared. Python's design philosophy is very interesting and well articulated in the Zen of Python by Tim Peters. These should be our coding guidelines when we write programs in Python. We will examine and understand each one of them in detail along the course. But one thing that stands out upfront is its emphasis on code readability. A readable code is easy to maintain. Hence, readability and maintainability are two key characteristics of a popular programming language. Python is a high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, object-oriented, and functional programming. For people who are new to programming and have never heard of these terms before, do not worry. We will discuss each one of them in detail along the course. In 2001, the Python Software Foundation was formed, a non-profit organization created specifically to oversee the development of the Python language. First released in 1991, Python 2.0 was released in 2000 and introduced many new features. Python 3.0 was released in 2008, which was also a major revision that is not completely backward compatible with earlier versions. We will have a deeper look into these things in the next videos. That's all for now. See you in the next one. Your feedback will be enormously helpful in improvising the final shape of this course. So please subscribe to the Sifting Bytes channel and contribute any questions, comments, or suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you. Created specifically to created specifically to oversee the development created specifically to oversee the development of the Python language. Created specifically to oversee the development of the Python language. A non-profit organization created specifically to oversee the development of the Python language. We will have a deeper look into these things. In the next videos. We will have a deeper look into this. We will have a deeper look into these things in the next videos. We will have a deeper look into these things in the next videos. We will have a deeper look into these things in the next videos.